Okay, now I'm going to show you how to compose your image. So the most important things about compositions is that it enables you to create a dynamic image. So composition really enables you to create that image very well. So here is one of the things you should know about the rule of third. The rule of third is something we use in photography to take good photos, to compose your image so it can look good, so it can be dynamic. As you can see on the screen right here, I am taking a photo of someone, but I made sure that the line, she was literally on this line, and the composition of the entire room just came alive. And in this picture, I was taking a profile picture of her, so I center her within my rule of third grid. And here I was taking a picture of the room. You can see how everything's really stand out. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how you're going to do that on your phone, because it's very important that you know how to do it on your phone. So what we're going to do, I'm going to switch the screen for a minute. Here we go. So this is our screen right here, and this is the screen of my phone. You can see literally within my phone right here. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to setting. For those of you who doesn't know where setting is right here. And when you arrive to setting, you're going to type on the top camera. So when the camera come out, you click on the camera and you see the grid here. The grid is off in this side. So if you were to go back on the image, when your grid is off, you'll see this. For instance, I'm going to show you what you're going to see. You're going to see there is nothing on your, there is no grid. So literally when we're on setting, what we're doing is we are putting the grid on. So I'm going to click on grid. As you can see now it's on the green. And then I'm going to go back and then look what happened. The grid is there. So the grid enables you to really focus on taking good photo. For instance, let's see how I can use the grid to take a picture of my mouse, for instance. I'm going to switch my mouse right here. I'm going to, position it. Let's say I wanted to position it in the center. You can focus on the Apple logo a little bit. And then here we go. I'm going to take the photo. And then you can see literally how my photo came out. So the grid literally helps you take a dynamic image. Let's say, for instance, we wanted to take the photo of this box that's just right near me. Let's say, center it right here. And then here we go. I'm going to be taking a picture of it. And let's look at it. Okay, that's a little bit what the grid does when you're taking photo. Okay, I'm going to put back the screen of my presentation. So I have some exercise for you to do. What we're going to do right now, you're going to take 2 photos and then you're going to upload it to the project page. So take 2 photos of any object near you, use the composition rules, and then upload it to the project.